Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the hottest rivalries of 2025, the OnePlus 13s versus the Apple iPhone 16e. Let's start with pricing. OnePlus undercuts. Apple big time. 54,999 rupees gets you 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Apple's iPhone 16e, 59,999 rupees for just 128 gigabytes. That price to spec ratio is wild. Moving to the displays, OnePlus wins on paper. 6.32-inch 1.5K AMOLED, 120Hz refresh, Aqua Touch 2.0, even works with wet fingers. The iPhone, 6.1-inch OLED, 60Hz. Still stunning but slower. Now under the hood, OnePlus 13s runs Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 super fast. Apple brings its A18 chip, a beast in real-world use, plus its new C1 modem for better 5G and battery life. Cameras? So, OnePlus comes in with dual 50-megapixel lenses featuring optical image stabilization and a telephoto option. On the other hand, Apple offers a 48-megapixel sensor with their Fusion engine and that true-depth front camera. Both phones are honestly pretty solid, but, Apple really brings better computational photography to the table. Battery is, well, another win for OnePlus. You're looking at 5,850 milliamp hours and 80-watt charging. Meanwhile, the iPhone's got 4,005 milliamp hours, but it does have slower wired charging though. Yeah, MagSafe definitely adds a bit of convenience. There's one area where Apple totally dominates: emergency features. SOS via satellite, crash detection, it's got your back when it really matters. But OnePlus fires right back with AI features, things like Voice Scribe, AI Unblur, and a programmable plus key. So, verdict? The OnePlus 13s gives you top specs, fast charging, and some killer AI features, all for a lower price. The iPhone 16e, though, is for folks who want polished software, better longevity, and those safety integrations.